Yeah, I'm back, y'all, and this time we in the kitchen. Just made popcorn, did not perfectly clean it out, y'all. This is still gonna be lit. This is coconut oil in my wok. And next up, we got chicken breasts that have been cut in half, seasoned, and marinated. They're gonna be pretty damn good. For the first stage, we're gonna drop the chicken right here into the flour, cover it up. For this one here, I have to mix it up, but this are 3 eggs, cup of flour, some salt, and I'm gonna put in, some club soda. Okay, and this right here is my seasoned flour. This will be the last place the chicken goes to. Okay, but before we do this, we gotta do what the French call mise en place, having all of the food, everything in place here. So let's get this wet batter fixed up before we go. So time to make the club soda. Except, we're not. We're carbonating chicken broth today. Yeah, and the bottle does not need to be full. Oh, this is gonna be so good. Yeah. First 2 pieces off, looking beautiful. Done, done, done. But the family came and took theirs. You see, they left me with the smallest piece. So I gotta pull Daddy's pieces out now. Daddy had to stop and clean up water that somebody spilled off camera. I definitely burnt this a bit. Everybody, hey, that's why Daddy goes last. About to eat. Okay, about to eat. One quick bite. Okay. Perfect.